Hello everyone, this is Lisa Fry, the Catholic unschooler, homeschooler, life learning. I don't know, we're always learning. What different does it? All right, so I just literally rolled out of bed. I did try to brush my hair, but, or I should say my hay. I don't even know where my ancestors in Italy, they must have been somewhere like on the equator somewhere because like, I don't understand this. This is not hair. I'm very grateful to have it, Lord. But anyway, we just literally rolled out of bed and traveled. So, excuse me for the way that I appear. Come along with us and see these beautiful sights. They're just so lovely. And it's so good. It's good to get out because you can be excited, and being excited must send some chemicals into your brain that are really, really helpful in fighting viruses. Where are we going now? All right, this isn't the ocean, everybody, but you know what? It is beautiful all by itself. Woo-hoo! Here's how you beat the coronavirus, ladies and gentlemen. Woo-hoo! Look at that. Nice. Nice. Wow. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Woo-hoo! Nice. First time, and it's all I like me better when I'm with. I like me better when I'm with virus, ladies and gentlemen. Fresh air for you. Remember this song? In my home. It's not coming in. Oh, look at the cows and the horsies. Oh, horsies. Oh, there's a horsey there. And then wish I could. So bad. Careful. Games with my heart, with my heart, in the sun, with my heart. playing games with my heart. Why do they keep saying that they have big feet? Listen. We got big feet? I don't understand. We got big feet. I don't get it. I'm going to show everybody this. The ski area has snow all over it. And this is April, ladies and gentlemen. This is April. So here's the mountain. I just want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got snow all over it. Woohoo! All right, this is for all of you that are home and you can't go out anywhere. You're bored. What a pretty sight, huh? Look at that. When my kids were little, I used to pretend that those were dinosaurs laying down. And then they'd say, "Oh, hello, kids. It's nice to see you. Welcome." And then they would have conversations